What's up, guys? I think today I wanted to do a quick short video on how lucky we are that the tools of today are just so awesome. Even the most garbage tools of today vastly outperform the tools from what our dads used. Makita. But anyways, I went and got this thing, the new Ridgid Oscillating Multi-Tool, right? And I've had this thing, the old Ridgid JobMax pneumatic oscillating multi-tool. I've had this for about 15 years. As you can tell, it looks brand new. It is brand new. I've never used it. I bought it before I really got into tools. I bought it when I bought this house. And I never really had a use for it, so I never went and bought a compressor for it. But I just recently got a compressor, so I thought it would be really cool to show you just how far tools have come and just how lucky we are. And by the way, this thing's awesome. It's really awesome. Watch this, guys. So there you have it. That's how much tools have evolved over the last, this is what, 12 years ago? This is today. And to tell you the truth, I didn't even have like a real metal blade on this thing. I had a multi-material blade, like a wood with screws blade. If I would have had like a normal metal blade on this, it would have smoked through that drywall screw like nothing. This is so nice. Very little vibration. I mean, this thing doesn't vibrate a whole lot, but it's just underpowered. It feels pretty good in the hand, but it's just underpowered. What used to be cool about these JobMaxes is the head of it comes right off, and you can put something else on this, okay? But it's just underpowered. It just doesn't got enough oomph. Can it cut through the wood? Yeah, you're going to be there all day long. You heard how noisy the compressor was. You got to deal with this stupid long cord, right? This is so much better than this. And it's not even like we're talking 30, 40 years ago. We're talking a decade ago. So, every time you're complaining about how much your tool sucks, just remember, a decade ago, we were using shit like this. And there you have it. Great multi-tool. I'm starting to love this thing. Don't know if it's my favorite, but it's moving up the ranks pretty quickly. Let's just say that. All right, everybody. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button. Comment, like, share, all that stuff. Let's blow this up. I'm trying to get there. I'm trying to make content for you guys. The more we get, the more stuff we can bring you. Peace.